Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I'm Rich Robin. I'm going to walk you through our Captivator Mobile here. This is 1/4 inch thick wall new pipe on the main chamber, which is 24 by 60 long, and also 1/4 wall new pipe on the firebox, which is 24 diameter by 24 long. You've got 4 sliding food racks that are standard upper and lowers in both of the chambers. You've got temperature gauges that are standard in both of the chambers. You got a fully flanged Gator Pit, nice and tight sealed doors, don't leak, adjustable stack. You've got our solid plate front deck that sits on a 1/4 inch thick 2x2 square tubing. It's also reinforced underneath with crossbars that are the same square tubing and 1/4 inch thick angle as well. You've got standard 205/75 5 lug 15 inch wheels, trailer rated tires. You've got the wraparound front shelf that goes over the firebox, so you can use heat off that firebox. You've got our dial style air intake vents, stainless steel cool touch handles on all your doors. You've got our heavy duty 1/4 inch thick angle frame fire grate that's also reinforced in the middle to prevent it from sagging and burning out, make it last a lot longer. Our fully flanged doors, so your firebox doors don't leak. Of course, they all come with locks. You do get the pin lock standard. You've got your passenger side storage. That's 24 wide, about 20 tall, and it is 5 feet long. Universal trailer light kit. Those are the 2 Gator Pit gauges I told you about, your stainless steel handles. Gusseted stress points on your trailer, so you don't have to worry about stress fractures on your trailer going down bumpy or off-roading. Top line 5K jack. This one has a steel swivel wheel added to it, your safety chains, and a storage hanger for your chains. 2-inch coupler is standard on it. Again, that solid plate deck, you can actually put your ice chest and stuff and bungee or strap all that stuff down. This is another place to put gear. Generator mount, you can mount a generator up there, an ice chest in addition to your passenger side storage. Give you an idea of those racks. A lot of capacity on here. 2 foot by 5 foot main chamber, 2 doors. I'll close these doors up, show you what it looks like here. This customer opted and put in our tuning plate design for even temperature cooking. Turns your cooker into somewhat of a convection oven, so you don't have hot and cold spots. This thing runs even all the way across, so you can cook any meat anywhere you want. That tuning plate design or option in there, that is an added feature and added option. It does cost more. I'm Rich Robin. Oh wait, hey, hang on, before I end it, let me show you the outside here. Nice tight doors, no gaps. There we are, closed up. Captivator on our website, gatorpit.net. info@gatorpit.net is my email. Again, that's info@gatorpit.net. And I'll give you my information right there. Call me, I'm Rich Robin. See ya.